Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet again, I'm showcasing Require Script. This is part 10 of the series. Yeah. And in this video, we're gonna be showcasing Mecha E.L.B.E.R.R. Yeah, so first we got Q. Big ass range. Big ass range, dude. Yeah, then after Q we got E. Yeah, you can also jump. We got R. Yeah, so hold on. Many people watch videos without audio. Okay, that's some. Anyways, yeah, so as you can see, Q does not work while doing the R. Anyways, goodbye guys! Actually, no, wait. Hold on. Just a sec. We're actually showcasing another Require script. Also made by Tiago Doge. Yeah, so this is Nosey. Normal server. Yeah, so we got M1. Yes, this time an actual M1. Hold on, just a second. Okay, sorry about that. But we got M1. Next we got E. We got E. We got E. Next we got R. R does this. R does this, whatever it is. Yeah, it does like this thing, whatever it's called. Damn! What the Die! Okay, well, that's all. See you guys.